So what I'm going to show you now is not to say Utito is a bad player or Mufokeng is better than Utito, but I'm just going to just watch. Utito gets the ball. He was making a run. Maybe I'm being too harsh. You must know the players that Odala now. Because he makes a run, then he stops. Guys, it is very important to know your teammates. You need to know ukuthi udlala nama-player anjani. Kunama-player athanda ukugijima, kunama-player athanda ukureceive ibhola ey'nyaweni, stuff like that. He's making a run, but he doesn't get it. I've shown you Tito. Now just watch this boy. Not a lot of touches. He knows what to do. Two touch, three. Pass the ball. Okay, sharp. First half, he came. I found in the second half. Second half, the game was open. Okay, sharp. We understand. Here's another clip. 3 touches. Only 3 touches. You don't need 10 touches, 15. You don't need a lot of touches, Buffett. 1, 2. Ay man, lumfana lona. Wenta, you understand? One last clip, Buffett, bese ngiyayivala. 1, 2. Hey, Sundowns must sign this boy. Sundowns must sign this boy.